Hi guys, it's Kara from the future. It has been a while since I've made a video, and I'm sorry about that. I had kind of a wild year, and it had some ups and downs and twists and turns, but I'm back now and I'm ready to do some more cosplay stuff, ready to make some more videos in the future, so you'll notice a few things have changed. I got an iPhone, so the camera quality is much better now. Awesome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to accomplish this mushroom fairy look that I put together for Ren Faire next year. This is really fun and easy. I'm going to show you how to do the makeup as well as where to get all of the accessories. This is a fun look if you want to do it for Halloween, or if you are going to the Renaissance Festival, or if you just want to take pictures at home. So yeah, we'll get right into it. I'll show you the products I use, and everything that I have here I will link in the description below, so if you want to check something out, you can. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first step, if you've ever seen any of my other videos, you know, is to put in my contact lenses before I do any makeup. You always want to do contacts before you put on makeup because you don't want to get makeup on your contact lenses and burn your eyes. It's not pleasant. You don't want to do it. The lenses I'm using for this costume are these red lenses from Oh My Kitty. I've bragged about Oh My Kitty so much in the past, but it's well deserved. These lenses are so comfortable and the color is really vibrant, and of course the red goes with the mushroom theme. So yeah, these are the ones we're going to be using. Contacts are in. Now it's time for the next few steps, which is foundation, eyebrows, etc. And I'm going to skip this part because it's not really interesting and there's no real tutorial needed. It's just put foundation on. So I will do that and then I'll get back to you. All right, foundation, eyebrows, concealer is done. I look a little crazy right now, but we're gonna get into the fun stuff. So the next step is to do our red blush, eyeshadow, etc. So to accomplish this, you're going to need a very pigmented red blush or eyeshadow. I've found that it's easier to find red eyeshadows than blush. I'm actually using this Morphe Disney palette. This was a Christmas gift and it works well for me. Obviously, I'm using the red shade, which on this palette is called Life's Short, like Mickey's shorts, get it? So you're going to want to use a blush brush, say that 5 times fast, a brush that is made for putting on blush, etc. I'm using this blur brush from Redken, and I'm just gonna dip it in the red and we're gonna go to town. I'm gonna make sure it's really on there because you're gonna want this to be really pigmented. All right. And then we're gonna put it on our cheeks as if we were contouring. So, contour face. And then you're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Now for the purposes of this look, we're also gonna do our nose. And voila. Now we're going to move on to the eyes, and you're going to want to take an eyeshadow brush and use that exact same red color. We're going to put it on our eyelids. Again, you're going to want to make sure it's really pigmented, so you might have to go over it a couple times. And there we go. The sad part about this look is that you kind of just have to accept that for the first few minutes you just look like a clown. But now is the very fun part. We're going to use a white liquid eyeliner to create our little polka dots. And the one I'm using is the NYX Epic Wear waterproof white eyeliner. And full transparency, this stuff is very hard to get off. Like, I always have to scrub my face very hard to get it off, so just be prepared for that. But we're going to start making our polka dots, and there's no rhyme or reason to this. I just paint them on however feels right. And you can do different patterns. You can do big dots, you can do small dots, so long as it all comes together in the end. And we're going to do the same thing on our nose. Now the next part can be a little tricky. We're gonna use this white eyeliner to decorate our eyes. So I'm also gonna put little dots on my upper eyelid, kind of like creating a trail. Now it's all starting to come together. So this is the part where it gets a little tricky. So we're going to do some white eyeliner, like legit white eyeliner. We're gonna try and do it in one swipe. There we go. And there we go. See if I can make it even. I probably can't. And there we go, our white eyeliner. So here's a close-up of the look so far. Next, for extra definition, I'm going to take my regular black eyeliner and kind of do the same thing and just make another wing right on top of the white one. And that way it kind of creates a layered effect. And now the last step for the eyes is eyelashes. Let's see if I can do a transition. Did that work? I don't know, we'll see. The very last step to doing the eyes is to do a couple little exaggerated eyelashes on the bottom. I'm going to take the same Disney palette and we're gonna use the shade Play by Ear, which is the black shade. It's a little glittery too, which makes this nice and magical. And right here on the corner of my eye, I'm gonna drag down. And then right about here, I'm gonna drag down. Same thing on the other side. And there is the completed eye look. The last step to the makeup is putting on some lipstick. This is one of my favorite red lipsticks from Kuckian. Will it focus? Kuckian? I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's the shade is Dinner at 8. It's a very pretty lipstick. And there we have it. The makeup is completed. So now that the makeup is completed, I'm going to put on my costume, wig, accessories, and kind of walk you through everything and where to get them. So let's go. So this is the completed costume. This includes my headpiece, my dress, my wings, my ears, and all that good stuff. I'm really proud of how this one turned out, and I love all the little elements and components that make it come to life. These little elf fairy ears are by Lindsay Lou LLC. They've got little mushroom earrings attached to them, which I just love. And I actually painted them myself using some white and red acrylic paint. This gorgeous headpiece is by Magaela Accessories, and I just love it. I love the mushrooms, everything. This wig is from Chrisma Wigs. I love Chrisma Wigs. They are the best quality lace fronts that you'll find for the price. You can find them on Amazon or at their website. This beautiful dress is by the Cryptid Forge on Etsy. I absolutely love this dress. I love the design. I love the asymmetrical hem at the bottom, the ruched front. It's just perfect for this look. And then my top, my tights, and my little fairy wings I all got from Amazon. And all together I think it looks so perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time on my channel and you're new to my work, feel free to follow me on any of my social media platforms. I'm on Instagram as Kara M Cosplay, and then I'm on Facebook as Kara Michelle Cosplay. Or for all of my links, you can visit my official website at karamichelle.com. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I hope you'll have a wonderful week, a Merry Christmas, and a very Happy New Year. Bye!